Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking these out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis as for the 500. Okay. Um, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, starting with boom 1,200. So we're starting with boom 1,200. In case you have any question, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section, okay? Or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. So I'm on 15-minute time frame, and I will be using the 3M trend Mioka trade indicator. It is a custom made indicator that helps us to analyze better. If you are having, kindly follow up with me on this, okay? So let's go straight into it. This actually started an uptrend right from here. We can see the uptrend signal, the yellow color, and the buy signal around it. That's the blue arrow, and of course it bought till it got to this region. If we should notice, it also got there around there, and it respected it and it came down. Okay, so it has gotten there again. If it's unable to break out from there, then we are most likely to experience a downtrend right from there. So we expect a sell from there, except if it breaks out above the resistance zone, that is when it will keep on buying. But if it does not, then definitely it will go back on downtrend. Okay, so let's check out again next 999. It had been on downtrend, on downtrend for a while, around the support zone, playing around there for a while, but this time around broke out above it at this point. So I actually expect it to buy more, okay, at this point. But after getting to this region, it's at the pullback, and of course if the pullback actually breaks out from here, then it's going to sell more. If it does not, it will continue with the buy signal. Okay, so I still expect more of a buy signal right from there, except if it breaks out from that support zone, that is when it's going to sell more. Okay, so now the next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200. So it was on uptrend at this point from this support zone, but till it got to this resistance zone, and right from there it started a downtrend. So of course it has gotten to this support zone, so I believe it should switch into an uptrend, which is what actually happened. So I expect more buying right from there. So I expect it to get to this region first, and of course once it breaks out from here, it should get to this port or this port. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Now let's check out Paynex 999. This is Paynex 999, and of course, just the way we have seen it, this had been on downtrend for a while. After getting to this support zone, it has not been able to break out from there, so it's trying to go back on uptrend, even though it didn't go too far before pulling back, and of course, it will be trying it out again. So I still expect more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, because it has actually broken out of this trend line. So I expect more buying, most especially once it breaks out from this particular horizontal line, then it's going to buy more. Okay, so let's keep our fingers crossed. Okay, now the next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This has been on a very strong downtrend for a while, and of course it has got into this support zone. It has not been able to break out from there, so it's trying to go back on uptrend, but we don't know how far it will go. Okay, because this has been on a very strong uptrend, downtrend rather. Okay, so and of course it's trying to go to buy at the moment, so we expect it to buy more, and of course I expect it at least to get to this particular spot in the buying trend that is going on right now. Okay, and if it breaks out from there, then it's going to buy. If it does not, then it will go back down again. Okay, so we should watch out for that, but for now it is still buying. We don't know how far it will go at the moment. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love this content, can you give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.